Just finished doing all the paint correction on the 2010 ZR1. Gonna get it ready, apply our Aegis Armor base coat tomorrow after we do a alcohol wipe down on the vehicle to remove the oils left from the polishing. Everything came out pretty nice. Since this vehicle was being sold, the dealership wasn't looking to go crazy on it. So basically we had to do some compromise and some stuff, just try to remove most of the surface damage. There's still a couple scratches in here. We just tried to minimize them so they're not that obvious. Most people will know we did a lot of restoration on the carbon fiber. So it really brought the depth and the three-dimensional look out of that. Probably the biggest problem we can see was that at some point the hood was repainted, and there definitely is a variance in the paint itself. So we're hoping that that doesn't create too much havoc when we put the ceramic coating on. Hopefully it won't amplify it and make it a lot more noticeable. But yeah, ceramic coat tomorrow, top coat on Thursday. Shoot another video on Friday and post that. Stay tuned. Carbon fiber before paint correction. Carbon fiber after paint correction. This part has not been corrected. You can see the fine lines and swirls. And there was the edge of the tape line. This area has had a one pass with a medium compound and medium pad. As you can see, not everything is 100% removed, but it's vastly improved from the area that has not been corrected.